Good morning, everyone. It's really wonderful to be here with you this morning to open this amazing dog park. I would also like to give special recognition to Raymond G. Gamma. Thank you, Mr. Gamma, for being with us today to celebrate this reopening. As you can see, this park has undergone a complete transformation. A few features and amenities to highlight are several thousand square feet have been added. The play areas have this special canine grass that can stand up to the year-round use. The parking lot features EV charging stations from our own Silicon Valley Power. There is a new dog wash station, and we have accessible park pathways, turfs, and restrooms for persons of all ability, and ample seat walls, benches, and tables throughout the park. Let's get ready to cut the ribbon. Go. Woo!